Greenworks has made reloading your string trimmer with new line super easy. Other models have had, like this Ryobi, has a push and twist and lock, and it gets harder over time. What I love about Greenworks, it's got the 2-button design that I love. So what you do is you start off by disconnecting or unplugging the battery out of your string trimmer. And set that to your side so you know it's not gonna spin if anyone accidentally hits the trigger. Ugh, that would be a mess. And what the buttons are gonna do, they're gonna release the green bottom of your Greenworks string trimmer head. You push the 2 buttons and just pop out the cap. Now be careful because your spool may pop out of the head. Once you get the cover off, then you take the spool out and wrap it in the direction shown. Now later models of the Greenworks string trimmer have a hook in the middle, so you just find middle of your line and fold it over that hook and then wind it around. That's not so with this case. In this model, I have to cut 2 equal lengths. I make them about 6 feet long. I'm using 0.95 twisted pair strand. I love this line because it lasts and lasts and lasts, even on the concrete brick wall. Now you can use 0.80, but I'm using 0.95 on this model, and it's twisted pair. I hook it inside the holes in the center of the spool and wind it around in the direction shown on the arrows on the spool. Then once I get it, I carefully, it's a sobriety test. Don't do this while you're intoxicated. You're gonna have to wind the spool and then hold it with one hand while you do the other line. Then once both lines are coiled around the spool, then you're gonna take the ends and thread them through the eyelets on either side of the head, trimmer head. Then hold that in place while you grab the green cover. And holding the spool and the green cover, snap on the green cover back onto the head. Make sure it locks, otherwise you're gonna have line all over the yard. Then as the trimmer head spins, it's gonna trim it to length. Pop in your battery and press the trigger, trimming to length. Now we're ready to get back out there. I hope this is helpful. For more helpful home improvement and yard working tips, click the image on your screen now. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and if you want to see how the Greenworks stacks up against the Cobalt, the Ryobi, or the DeWalt, click the image on your screen now. I'll see you in the next video.